Last 10 minutes of the international sevens. Sirevi the captain, the pressure on Fiji. A high one it comes, looking for Melita Manitokula. He gets it. Luke Ernavola caught in there and then throws it back. Lala going for it. Chenurisi Raunge trying to get it and Tamanitokula gets it. And there's the punch from Melita Manitokula. Let's see what the referee will do. Chenurisi Raunge had stepped on Melita Manitokula. Iwani Tugana, the judge, talking to the referee, and a penalty to Australia. A penalty to Australia. Penalty to Australia it will be. Benji Tuako using the ball as a shield to call his coach as he gives it out. Aparama into Leitia, the new man, into Chenurisi Raunge. Raunge tries to go forward. He's still holding there in the tackle of Luke Eranavula. Now comes to the ground and going through quickly on the inside the 22. Aparama to Unipono takes it. Sirevi applying that pressure there with the tackle with Inoke Mariwai. And Australian Fijians get the put in to the scrum right on the Fiji 22. Fiji under pressure, tested for the first time or for the second time. Yesterday they were taken to task by the same Australian Fijians lineup, and today in the final this one means a lot for them. 19-14, 2 minutes of play gone. In it goes. Sirevi has scooped it, and there comes the high tackle on Sirevi as Benji held Sirevi and pulled him back.